What a bright idea! An LED fixture that you can change yourself in 5 minutes with no tools, no electrician, no electrical skills required, and you don't even have to turn off the power. Seriously guys, this is a great way to update your space. If you have those old hi-hats, recessed lights, aka can lights in your house, and you want a sleeker, more modern look, you would like to get rid of the dingy old discolored trim kits, and you also want to cut down on bugs getting into your house. This is a great way to swap out those light fixtures for that great look. Now hey, make sure that you subscribe, because in next week's video I'm going to show you how to change a light fixture the old-fashioned way with wire nuts and turning off the power. But this is a simple swap you can do in 5 minutes. So why even do this project? Like I said, you're tired of the dingy old outdated look in your house. You're tired of all the mismatched bulbs that you have to swap out. And maybe you're getting ready to sell your home and you want a quick and inexpensive way to give it that more modern appeal for all the homes that are on the market competing against each other. So I found these at my local Costco. It's a 2-pack for $14.99 at Costco, but you can also get them on Amazon for 2 for $20. Again, I'm not getting paid for this. I just really like this. We put these in our family room a couple months ago. I liked them so much I decided to add them to the kitchen. Another great feature is that these are adjustable. So whether you have a 5-inch or a 6-inch can in your ceiling, this trim kit is big enough to work with either one. There's an adjustment you can make. So it's so easy so that you don't even have to touch up the paint around the ceiling, which takes one less project off your plate. And here's a really important thing that you have to consider if you are doing any replacement light fixtures or bulbs at your place. Make sure they are dimmable. You have to have a dimmable light fixture or bulb if you have a dimmer switch, and these are dimmable. This can't get any simpler. It comes with an attachment that goes right into the socket of your old fixture, and it has these big pins, these clips that grab the inside of the can. So you don't even have to turn off the power, because all you're doing is unscrewing a bulb and screwing in a fixture. And I can't emphasize enough that this will reduce the number of bugs in your house, because stink bugs in particular get into the walls and they can crawl right in around those hi-hats. Step 1, grab a step stool or a sturdy ladder, and then you're just going to simply remove your bulb. Reach up into your recessed light and release the springs that are holding the plastic trim kit into the metal housing. Simply screw your new fixture into place, into your open socket. And boom, it works. Now you may have to wiggle a little bit with these clamps. They are designed to go up into this metal can and grab the openings in the grooves of the can. Now your grooves might be in a slightly different position based on what kind of can you have. So just wiggle with it a little bit and play until it gets snug to your ceiling. This is a seriously easy DIY electrical project, but the students in my DIY Academy, Home Improvement Hero Academy, go way further than this. I teach the women students in my classes how to change light fixtures, how to do dimmer switches. I've also helped them change their smoke detectors, and one of my girls took it upon herself to change her bathroom fan. So if you are interested in going on a deeper DIY dive so you can have the home you want, make the improvements that you need to make, and not be waiting around for someone else to do it for you, well, make sure that you check out my academy, because I would love to schedule a discovery call with you and see if it's the right fit for you. So in the meantime, I hope that these new fixtures will light up your life.